forgotten giant buried in the mountains for decades. Nobody knew how it got here. Nobody believed it could ever be restored. An aircraft so massive it became part of the mountain itself. Trees grew through the cockpit, roots tore through the fuselage. The interior turned into jungle, but today we are attempting the impossible. Using AI cinematic restoration technology, we are rebuilding this abandoned aircraft step by step into a fully functional luxury city in the sky. Every panel, every floor, every room. This is not shortcut transformation. You will witness the entire process from rust to
All right, over here. Checking the wing integrity, marking this section. Secured. Final pass here. Looking good. Check this seam. Looks tight on the right. The gap is 2 millimeters here.
Perfect.
Perfect. Hold that. Got it. Clamping now.
Half the aircraft is now structurally rebuilt. What was once a collapsing wreck is slowly becoming habitable again. But this is where projects like this usually fail. The deeper we go into the restoration, the harder continuity becomes. Every floor added changes the weight distribution. Every new structure has to match the original aircraft geometry perfectly. With even AI generation, maintaining consistency across dozens of scenes is incredibly difficult. That's why every section is rebuilt in sequence, exactly like a real-world mega restoration project. And we are only getting started. If you are enjoying this transformation so far, hit the like and subscribe. It genuinely helps these massive AI restoration projects continue. And comment below, what should we restore next?
All right, steady now. Lower it slowly. Almost there. Careful of the edge. Stop. Down just a little more. Perfect. Untie the slings. Keep it steady. Down a little. Adjust to the left. Just a bit more. Looks good. Set it down.
What began as a forgotten wreck in the mountains has become a living city, a place that once symbolized decay now glows with life again. Thousands of individual restoration steps, hundreds of generated assets, one continuous transformation. This is what happens when cinematic storytelling, architecture restoration, and AI are combined into a single vision. If you want to see more impossible restorations like this, subscribe and leave your next restoration idea into comment. Maybe your idea becomes the next mega project, and this is only the